So we all agree that this is a logarithmic equation. Bunch of laws everywhere. Okay, what is the base that I'm dealing with? Now 10. It is base 10. Is there a property that I can use called? Anytime you have log, it is base 10. So log, base 10, ln, base 10. Is there a property that I can use? Which one? What's your name?
Kaylee.
Kaylee, the first one. So how can I rewrite this?
Log of x times x plus 3.
Very good. And on the other side, simply log of 2. Good. Okay. I have log on this side, log on that side, and the x's are trapped in here. When we had an exponential equation, we took log on both sides, got rid of the exponent. I have log on both sides. So what should I do to get rid of the log? Okay, forgot your name. Emily says, raise it to the power of 10. I'm going to use a fancy word, exponentiate on both sides. With 10. And Emily, why is it 10? Why could I have not used 8? Because the base is 10. So 10 here, 10 there. So since it is base 10, I have to raise it to the power of 10 on both sides. Easier way to remember, you can put that 10 just for fun. So 10 raise log base 10, x times x plus 3 equals 10 raise log base 10, 2. Good. That will get cancelled, and those two will get cancelled. Yes, go, baby. Okay. Now, since that goes away, I've simply got that expression, which is x times x plus 3. And that goes away. So what do I have on that side? Just 2. Okay, how do we solve from here? Nathan.
Distribute, so the x squared plus 3x.
Very good.
And then subtract the 2 and find what adds to 3x but then multiple is negative 2. Yeah, both here. So right?
Huh? Basically, I didn't hear the last part.
When you want to then find what adds to 3x but then multiplies to negative 2 to get your 2x values. Or not right.
Okay. Does that remind you of something from algebra? Thomas? Factoring. That's a quadratic equation. So the first way to solve it is factoring. If factoring fails, what is the other option? Where is that coming from? Quadratic formula. I would recommend you put that in your cheat sheet in case you don't know or you don't have it memorized. So, is it possible to factor in this case? Go ahead, Nathan. So you give me the factors.
It'd be negative 2, negative 1. And then
Negative 2, negative
but
1.
then it'd be the answer. X is equal to 2, x is equal to 1.
If I foil this, will I get that? Absolutely not. So, okay, didn't work.
I think,
Go ahead.
what if you try,
I'm eager to try. So,
negative 3,
-3,
positive 1?
+1. Okay. If you follow that, are you going to get x squared plus 3x minus 2? No. You can't. Or at least easy. So the only way would be to use the quadratic formula. So I hope you know what A, B, and C are. What is A? 1, very good. What is B? What is C? Wonderful. So -3 plus or minus square root 3 squared 9 minus 4. A is 1, C -2. 1 times -2 minus 2. So -2 there. Entire expression divided by 2 times 1. If you distribute that -4, you get -4 times -2, +8. 9 plus 8, 17. So -3 plus or minus square root of 17 divided by 2. So you will have 2 solutions. Good. Should I stop there?
Yeah, do, one's positive, one's negative, so 2 different.
Okay.
For the,
Shaking your head. Jaden, why?
I'm actually doing it. I just tried to.
Oh, so do you agree that I should be done there?
No, you shouldn't be done.
I shouldn't be done. What am I missing?
Well, since I'm guessing, it's a logarithmic function, doesn't it not go to negative number?
Very good. So anytime you have a logarithmic equation, you've got to be careful. Reason being, as Nathan pointed out, I have 2 solutions, -3 plus square root of 17 over 2. The other solution, -3, negative square root of 17 over 2. Yes. That's about approximately 0.55. Yes, you can use your calculator. But by all means, this is a positive number. Yes. Is that a positive number? No, that's negative, divided by 2, negative. So this is a negative number. That is not the solution. So grab your calculator, do ln of -16. And also try log of -16 and tell me what you get.
Error.
Error. So you can't take logarithm of a negative number. It doesn't matter what base you have. It could be base 10, base 8. You simply can't put in a negative number. So that is not the solution. So anytime you have a logarithmic function, the question that you should always ask at the end is, do both solutions or every solution that you have, do they satisfy the original equation? If you get a negative solution, automatically disqualify. Good. Only positive solutions. Any questions? No, yes, mate.
So these are gonna be the exam.
Yes. What is the first question that you must ask? Yes, now. Common issues with this problem, one, you'd be tempted to get rid of logs directly. You can't do that. You should have log of something on one side, log of something on other side by itself. Then you can get rid of the logarithms. That's not the case here. There are multiple ways to do this problem. So what I'm going to do is use a property there. I have something divided by something. So log square root of x minus log of 4 minus log x equals log 2. Good. Now, that's a number, so I'm going to move it to the other side. So log square root of x minus log x equals log 2 plus log 4. Is there a property that I can use and simplify that expression? This side. Yeah, log 2 times log 4 is log 8. Okay. So log 8 on here, that's the tricky part. If you have square root of x, is there a way to rewrite it? We've been over this before. Hint and exponent. What would you do if you had the cube root? X raised 1/3. Same logic. X raised 1/2 minus log x. Agreed? Almost there. Is there a property that I can use? Move that 1/2 to the front. So 1/2 log x minus log x equals log 8. Good. Okay. What was that reduced to? If log x is confusing, think of that part as your pet, dog, cat, whatever. Half of your pet, well, don't do that, but half of your pet minus one of your pet, what do you have? Half of an apple minus 1/4 apple. Half with negative. So you'd have negative half log x equals log 8. Agreed. This has to go to the other side. So log x would be equal to multiply both sides by -2. -2 times that. Yes. I would like to have just log here, log there. So use the property again, move that back inside. So you will have log x equals log 8 raised -2. Right? Do I have log by itself on this side? Yes or no? Yes. How about that side? Yes. So exponentiate to the power of 10. In other words, if you have log by itself here, log by itself there, get rid of it. So the answer is 1/64. Not 64. Actually, this. It's not. Okay.